Everybody, today we are in third part with a question asked in Nepal Airlines for mechanical engineers level 7. Let's start. Question number 24 मा रहेको छ, which process will increase the fatigue duration of the parts? Fatigue duration कुनै पनि part को कुन process द्वारा वृद्धि हुन्छ त, बढ्छ? Number 1, finishing and polishing. Number B, electroplating. C, short pinning. D, none. The correct answer is short pinning. त्यस्तै question number 25, the type of bearing used in crankshaft. Crankshaft मा कुन type को bearing use हुन्छ त? Plain, roller, ball, magnetic. The correct answer is plain bearing. त्यस्तै what are the 4 types typical loads on the aircraft? तीनटा loads कुन हो aircraft मा लाग्ने? Number C is the correct answer. Tension, compression, torsion and shear. त्यस्तै the wing that has no external support is called. That the wing which has no external support is called cantilever wing. Likewise, question number 28, as the angle of attack of airfoil increases, the center of pressure moves afterward, moves forward, remains stationary, none. The correct answer is moves forward. An aircraft is longitudinally stable, will tend to return to level flight after yawing, rolling, both A and B, and D is pitching. So the correct answer is pitching. In case of airfoil, if the angle of attack is 0, then option A, total drag is 0, friction drag is 0, total lift is 0, total lift is maximum. The correct answer is total lift is 0. Which of the following assumption is incorrect in the derivation of Bernoulli equation? Options are follow is ideal, follow is steady, follow is incompressible, and the last one is follow is rotational. Here the first 3 options are necessary conditions to satisfy the Bernoulli equation. So the only incorrect option is option number D, the follow is rotational. Likewise, the monocoque fuselage relies largely on strength of option A, longerus and formos, B, skin and coverings, C, bulkheads and longerus, and D is longerus only. And the correct answer is skin and covering. Likewise, how are the combustion chamber cooled? Options are by IP compressor air, by HP compressor air, by fan pressure air, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In the differential control of ailerons, up movement is more than down movement, or vice versa, and C is movement is not important, and D is both sides aileron move in the same directions. The correct answer is upward movement is more than downward movement. And the next question is EPR is a measure of. EPR is the measure of. What is the full form of EPR? First of all, you need to know that EPR means engine pressure ratio, and EPR is the ratio of exhaust pressure compared to the compressor inlet pressure. You can learn or you can remember like output upon input means exhaust upon inlet pressure. So the option A is the correct answer. And the last one is the hybrid computer uses a dash to convert digital signal into analog signal. The correct answer is modem. Along with this, I have some slides to show you about the basic terminology of aircraft. You can see here, this is the parts and function of aircraft. You can see vertical stabilizer, here is yaw, this is the yaw motion, this is pitch motion, and this is roll motion. So basically in aircraft there are three motions: yaw motion, yaw motion, and pitch motions. So these three motions has a power to control the aircraft in the specific direction. And another parts you can see here: slats, spoiler, flaps, ailerons, fuselage is the main body of the aircraft, fuselage, cockpit is the front part of the aircraft, turbine engine, you can see here, wings, likewise winglet, horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer, and likewise. And there is the also landing gear, which is not given in this figure. Landing it is the wheel type which is used to roll the aircraft while landing or while taking off. So basically I want to make you aware of three motions through the coming video. You can see the video I'm just playing. This is very important video for you, I think. So let's begin.
An aircraft is an amazing machine, capable of flying in any direction by rotating about in 3 dimensions. These are called axes of movement. The average location of an aircraft's mass is a point that is called the centre of gravity. So if you suspend an aircraft from the centre of gravity by a line like this, the aircraft remains perfectly balanced. Each of the 3 axes moves about the centre of gravity. The aircraft's principal axes are normal axis, drawn from top to bottom, lateral axis, drawn parallel to the wings, and longitudinal axis, drawn from tail to nose. Each axis is perpendicular to the other 2 axes. Let's look at each individually. The rotation about lateral axis is called pitch. This movement changes the vertical direction of the aircraft's nose. The rotation about normal axis is called yaw. This is the movement of the nose of the aircraft from side to side. The rotation about the longitudinal axis is called roll. This is the movement of the aircraft's wings. One wing goes up, the opposite wing goes down. So in summary, these are the 3 principal axes of movement.
So hope you might have got clear concept about the motion of aircraft. So I would like to stop my video here. Thank you very much, and keep progressing, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you very much.